Ensuring the correct specification for STC and OITC performance. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we look at the importance of ensuring the correct specification for sound transmission class, STC, and outdoor-indoor transmission class, OITC performance. Projects near facilities that generate large amounts of noise should work with a consultant to determine what STC or OITC rating would be needed to prevent outside generated noise from interfering with productivity inside the building. Looking at STC and OITC ratings, the higher the number, the higher the performance. The rating is a measure of the amount of decay or degradation of sound passing through. Here are test standards that you need to include in your specification to get the performance that you need. ASTM E90 is a test standard for measuring sound deteriorating through walls. This is through walls originally focused on interior walls. ASTM E1425 was written to measure deterioration of exterior noise passing through to interior walls to the interior. It includes latching forces of operable windows, operating force, and acoustical performance. And lastly, AMA 1801. This standard was written to mainly focus on windows, doors, and exterior glazing. It includes testing for sound degradation, but it also includes air leakage. We know that sound moves through holes and gaps. Air leakage and sound transmission are closely linked. AMA 1801 includes both the above test methods and an air test. This is the standard that you really need to focus on and include in your specification. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.